gonna be driving across the state. My mom gave me an early Christmas present.
Starting route to Montclair State University.
So today,
Proceed to the route.
I am going to Montclair to rescue Maddie. No, I'm kidding. I'm actually not kidding. Come on, car. Okay, I'm going. Basically, I'm going to get Maddie from Montclair, which is in North Jersey. We are currently at Stockton, which is in South Jersey. So I'm gonna be driving across the state. So from there, we are gonna go to Rowan University to see Sabrina. Sabrina has a show tonight, and Sabrina really wants me to see her show. So in the midst of everything I have going on right now, I have made seeing Sabrina's show a priority. I'm trying to get to North Jersey before rush hour. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. Maybe I should like turn on some music or something, you know?
Yeah, like I smell cologne. This is 99.3 The Buzz.
So, update. So it's almost 5 o'clock. I am like a little under an hour away from Montclair, and I'm just now hitting some traffic. But so far we're doing good. I saw some snow on the ground on my way up here, which we do not have on the ground in New Jersey, so... Can we like actually just take a minute to acknowledge how stupid I sound? There's no snow on the ground in New Jersey, like what? At no point in the duration of me filming this video did I even leave New Jersey. Like, I'm done. I'm gonna be nice and let this person in. Go ahead, you can go. I'm letting you in, go. I'm such a nice person, I'm letting this car go. I'm so nice. I'm literally so nice. I love myself for that. Oh, okay, now everybody's gonna go. Oh, Jesus Christ, that was not an invitation for every single car on the road to get in front of me. I wanted to be a nice person and do a nice thing, and you know, you give an inch and they take a mile. This car is like really up my ass. Kind of want to get in another lane because I don't want this car behind me anymore. I don't like when the same people are behind me or in front of me for too long. I don't know why, it just bothers me. I get paranoid and I feel like they're following me or they're gonna think I'm following them. I just don't like it. I like to change it up a little bit when I'm driving. I also don't like being near big trucks. I feel like they're going to swallow me. Okay, ready? You have to get in my car again. Ready? Go. You brought me food. Yay. Thank you. Okay. Hi. Hi. We finally made it. Like, do you want to see my vagina? Like, do you want to be? Oh, is this Vlogmas? Yeah, it's Vlogmas. Hi guys. Oh my makeup. Whoa, don't we look good? Like in the camera? Oh, they just saw my show. Sabrina, let me show them your dorm. It's a fucking mess.
It's so messy right now, but it's okay. Next time.
We just saw Sabrina's show.
Yay.
It was terrible.
Shut up. It was great.
It wasn't.
And now we're about to go and go to sleep.
No, you're gonna go. You're gonna go to sleep.
Yeah.
And we're gonna drive.
She's gonna stay in her pile of filth while
we're gonna drive back to freaking.
We can't disclose our location. I'm sorry.
You don't know us.
I love you.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
I had modern this morning. It was my last day and we had our final. I think I did pretty good. I don't know, don't want to jinx it. So for today's to-do list, I have to write my reflection papers for both dance classes, and then after that all of my work is done and I just have to show up to journalism class and watch other people present because I already presented. And then I have a little party for my freshman seminar. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And yeah. So I decided to leave the library because one, it's raining out and I don't have an umbrella, so I figured I should just like come back before it gets any worse. Two, I kind of want to curl my hair. Three, the girls next to me like would not stop talking about how annoyed they were with their professor and how much they don't want to take their final and blah blah blah, lots of tea being spilled, and like that's fine, but I'm a very nosy person, so I'm gonna be honest, I was like eavesdropping more than I was doing my work. It was probably better if I just left the library. So I'm back in my dorm now, and I also think I'm gonna take Excedrin because I have a headache. I didn't go to bed till like super late last night. Maybe because I just have not been sleeping at night. I'm gonna drink water. Hi, I was wondering if I could come in to get my nails done soon. I'm so sorry, I put you on mute by accident. So I just made my nail appointment. I obviously curled my hair. And that was one of the things I had to do today, was make my nail appointment, because like look how gross my nails look. Like when I put lotion on and it makes it like lose the color. They're really like outgrown. Now I'm gonna go back to the library and get a bunch of stuff done, and this time I'm gonna take my umbrella with me. So I just heated up some food, some spaghetti squash with shrimp. My mom made it the other night and I took it back with me. I'm gonna eat and go to class. Oh, puddles, so many puddles. Right now I am heading to my 6 o'clock class. So I just got back from class and then the little like party at my professor's house, and guys, she literally sent me home with like so much food. I have 2 plates full. I have this whole like thing full, and then I have another one of these filled with shrimp fried rice in my car. I'm gonna call Alexa because I brought her some food. So right now I'm heading to get breakfast before class, and I have my cookies. They didn't turn out as good as when my mom makes them. So I am done with class for the day and pretty much the entire semester to come back. I just dropped my phone. I'm sorry. So I don't have class again until like a week from today, when I am presenting my short film. So that is the only, oh my god, car, shut up, I get it. I don't have my seatbelt on, like you, chill, I'm not even driving yet. My car likes to scream at me when I don't put my seatbelt on, it's so annoying. Today I'm going to the dentist. Just kidding, I am not about to drive with my camera in my hand like that. Okay, bye. I just had a mental breakdown. So I'm gonna heat up some of this rice that has been sitting in my car since last night. What a good brother. Aww. So it is a lot later now. I really want to go to bed because I'm so tired. A few interesting things happened. One, I lost a nail. I feel like there's something in my eye. Another thing that happened, which is actually really exciting, I feel like I'm not as enthusiastic right now as I should be because I'm like so tired and I have so much stuff to do, so I'm like kind of stressed. My mom gave me an early Christmas present. So for Christmas I got a MacBook Pro, which I'm so excited about, and I think she just gave it to me early because she knows how much I need it. My laptop, I've had it for 5 years. It's literally like been ran over by a car. I don't know how it still works. I have to hook up an external drive to even edit on it. Like, it's just not like good for what I need it for. So I'm gonna have to get all my stuff off of that soon so we can ship it back to Apple. I guess they'll give us like, I don't know, $200 for it. That's like all it's worth at this point, but I'm so excited. I had salmon for dinner and asparagus. I hate asparagus, but I actually ate it. Hey guys, so it is the next day. Right now I am headed back to campus. I am gonna go to stop getting plastic straws. The thing is, I always order large drinks and my metal straws are like smaller than the large drink. If anybody doesn't know what to get me for Christmas, get me metal straws I can use with large drinks. That would be a good gift. This is so good. I have a headache and I don't feel good. So this is the mango dragon fruit refresher. This is the drink I get when I don't feel good. Going back to my dorm to kind of pack up all my stuff and clean up a little bit. I will talk to you guys later. I have all my stuff like in piles everywhere. I think all my stuff is together. My little sister's sitting here. Now we're trying to put this curtain back up that we ripped down.
1 hour later.
I literally want to cry. Like, it's so ugly. Put this down the first day. We're like, we're not keeping this thing up. And now it just looks so weird. So this is literally like my car. It's filled with stuff.